Midwest Smokehouse Smoking Pellets made from all-natural corn cobs are sourced exclusively in the USA. Not only do they give your food a deeper, richer flavor, they're very easy to use. Unlike wood alternatives, Midwest Smokehouse Smoking Pellets don't require soaking. They can be used in all types of grills and smokers, including pellet grills, electric smokers, gas grills, charcoal grills, egg-style grills, and campfire grills. If you're using an electric smoker or pellet grill, simply fill the hopper or smoker box to the desired capacity. If your preferred cooking method is a gas or charcoal grill, there are a couple ways to get started. One method is to sprinkle the pellets directly on hot coals. Another method is to fill a stainless steel or cast iron smoker box and place it on your grill. If you do not have a smoker box, you can fill a baking pan to 1/3 capacity, cover with foil, and poke holes. Then, place the baking pan on hot coals or grill grates. You can also fold a large handful of pellets in foil, crimping the edges and poking small holes. Then place the foil packet on hot coals or grill grates. Midwest Smokehouse Smoking Pellets can be added at any ratio to wood chips or wood pellets to maximize flavor. When you're done cooking, remember to store your pellets indoors in a sealed container. You should also remove pellets from any cooking equipment if going unused for long periods of time. Because of their ease of use and the exceptional flavor they provide, it's easy to see why Midwest Smokehouse is the smoking pellet of choice for first-timers and grill masters alike. For more information and to order your Midwest Smokehouse Smoking Pellets, visit AndersonsHomeandGarden.com.